Brad Williams, Excel Prime, working with the take function, show only the last 4 rows and 4 columns in a new list. To take off of the previous tutorial, we'll also have another example here where we're grabbing only last 2 rows and columns. Notice what we're doing here, B5, B16, -4. Look at the anatomy. We have rows, we're not dealing with columns. When you do this, it's going to incorporate the dimensions of your array based on B5 to E16. B5 to E16, incorporate all 4 columns. The second example, it's just a smaller version. We're going to grab just those last 2 with the negative number. Over here, read it if you need it. Go around, put in a positive number, and we'll do that next in the next tutorial. These are very straightforward, very simple functions to incorporate in your day-to-day operations. Brad Williams, Excel Primed. Williams out.